Meaning of full length.
Full length.
Full length.
Full length.
Full length. The term full length typically refers to a complete, uncut version of something, particularly a movie or a book. It implies that the entire work is present and accounted for, without any omissions or alterations. In the context of a movie, a full-length version would contain all scenes filmed during production, while a book's full-length version would include all chapters and content intended by the author. Essentially, full-length denotes a complete and comprehensive representation of the original work, without any modifications or deletions.